I'm running it up. Drop my cup, 4x4, I'm picking you up. On my way, and I'm drunk out. On my way, and I'm let's go. Walk in, got 'em on stand. Diamonds yelling louder than can. Yeah. Can't fit for the expense, but I seen let me so embarrassed. And it fit, but it really ain't fair. Shawty sitting on a nigga like a chair. It all drop it low.
I ain't come lonely, one's on me.
Drop it low.
What you scared of, don't run from me.
Drop it low.
Need that back, I need it up, dummy.
I see you, baby.
Rinse out, drop that low.
Like it's money all on the floor. Drop it like it's hot off the stove. Just make sure you pick it up slow. I got used to leaving that too. Now the club ain't closing the fold. Casamigos got me so wavy. Get too close, I'm rocking that boat. Watch this.
Drop it low.
I ain't come lonely, one's on me.
Drop it low.
What you scared of, don't run from me.
We are at the Mount Baldy Waterslides. This is called Stoddard Canyon Falls. Looks like there's some snow, so it's gonna be a little cold for us getting in the water, but it looks sunny, so I think we'll manage. But there is snow on the trail, there is snow in the mountains, and we are sliding down into the water, so we'll see what happens. Snow all over the trail. You already know.
Oh, bitch.
Alright guys, we're walking through snow now. Wish us luck. Man, you know that's just gonna be extra frosty, that slide. Snow on the trail. Been here a dozen times, never seen snow on the trail. I'm hoping that it gives us a little bit of speed on the slide. We're gonna call it a speed slide today. We are literally hiking in snow. Hey, we're at Stoddard Canyon Falls. Water slides everywhere. Tons of rain, let's go. All right, my boy's about to go slide down this shit. He's gonna show you guys how. We got the GoPro, it's waterproof. Enjoy.
All right, guys, I'll see you down there. I'll see you guys. Woo. Okay, this way.